Okay, welcome back, guys. Yesterday I planned to make an, making a penguin farm. I wanted to make a lot iron and the XP farm, but I make a big mistake. I forgot the Java and the Railroad's different style. So no, it's cannot working in the Java Deborah. So yeah, so I cancel everything. So I ever left the ender portal. Just stay here. I think it's good. So I just leave the ender portal into the sky. Okay. Like a net, yeah. So today I will change in a different way to make a penguin farm in the Java one. And let me see how to say the word. Okay. Versions. Yeah, the Java versions cannot make a penguin farm in roads. Only can make it in the nether. So yeah, I will build another one in the nether. But right now, I just need go get the stuff materials. So let me pull let me see. I think this one. Let me pull the stuff back first because I got a wrong way. So I will make a full. Automatic the fullness farm first. Yeah, because I need a lot of the grass and smooth stone something. So I will make an let me see. They can make an automatic fullness farmer first. Yeah. So then I think I need make an hopper first. So we need a lot of hopper. So let me go get iron ingot. Iron gold. And take this and then make the hopper. 30 should be not enough. So let me pull the wood chest out. Okay, like that. So I will make another chest. Also, I will make a lot like that. Okay, now should be enough. And the name hopper. Yes, perfect. the chest I will separate because I need make last stuff. You need a. So I save like a 45 hopper in the storage right here. So let me put here. Pull the top. Oh, maybe here something's fine. Let me just pull down by myself. I don't care. Yeah, like that. Okay, so I will go get a lot of wood, the dark logs. So let me make another sugar box for the. This one should be make for my iron armor something. So let me anyway, nighttime, so sleeping first. Let me go dye for the blue color. Because the diamond armor like a blue color, so to see it's gonna be some pinkling, jumpy pinkling stay there. So no, I don't know. Let me see. So I need a. So I make a yellow one already or no? No, not yet. Fine, let me make in a different way. I don't know what kind of flower I need to make it, but I got a cyan and a light blue. So yeah, I got a light blue. So let me make it a light blue. And then this should be for the sand. Then this should be like a grave. Let me make it a dime. Light gray. Okay, so here and then this for the sand. Okay, this is for the sand and perfect. So let me home first. I will put the powder snow bucket here. Maybe next time I will use this. So I make it 2 empty one. So number the bag first. Then let me take another stuff out. I will put all stuff in my blue sugar box. Yeah, like that. And the bow, I got a bow already. So what? Why only 3? The rest here, and then got an apple too. This is like fighting with the boss something and the dangerous place, so I can play with them and something. So yeah, I will save this all the stuff in this box, second box. So this should be safe for the sand, and then let me see. And this is for the build something. If I need to build something, I will make the take the stuff inside here. So I will put the stuff back first because I need different material right now. So later I will go take the stuff back. But right now just stay here. So if I need some stuff, I will go back. Okay, like obsidian here, and then iron should be right here. Right iron. Not something I make it here. I don't care. I can pull my. I remember everything, so I can pull it by myself. Anyway, should be easy. Java. Dispenser something. Yes, like that. And let me put a copper column here first. Fine, I put out, but I need to make another one. Like here and the cover. $14 should be enough. Okay. So I put a different way back. The two here and okay, the chest right here. So let me take one more the stair because I need a lot, maybe right here. Okay, so time to go, I think. See for the wood. Okay, anyway, like a net. Perfect. So I am making a funnel system first. So let me see. Can I make like a net right here? The trash here, something. I think it should be working, right? I don't know yet. But I hope. Okay, so time to make an okay, so I need a rail, the regular rail and then a power rail. Right here and like so let me make it. I can make more. So let me see what I need to stop. Stick and iron. Okay, so easy. Put one here and put a lot of iron out. The iron I got a lot, so I can let a bit. Okay, so put a wire back here and put right now I just need one, so let me put the iron back here. And then I need a power rail. Where's the power rail? Oh, maybe I can put the power rail together with the around, right? So I need something. I only like a 6 and something. And something should be enough. Okay, so let's go. I don't know. Is it working right here? It's good or no? So it should be. Let me see. Maybe I can. This can be covered here on. Fine, let me take out the funnel first. So I will put you know what? Maybe I can put the hopper take with the chest. Same chest with this. Let me see if I put chest here. Can I open the bottom one? Anyway, I can put a stop to the bottom here. So yeah, I first time to make a ruler something, so maybe can be different ways. So I just need to think about it. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, I will copy somebody right now, but later maybe I will change it, but who knows it.
Many hoppers as we want out of the side.
Okay, so I put 2 chests here. And time to take a hopper. I think it should be 3 pin type. Yes. Okay, so making a hopper. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay.
Of that, I'm gonna go about 9, 6, 7, 8, 9, just like this. I'm gonna place a furnace on top of the.
Okay, so time making a funnel on the top. Face way, yes, based on this way. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay.
Each one real quick. Should look like this so far. We're gonna go around the back. Let's just start on this side. We're going to point a hopper into the back of each furnace.
Okay, so I need a hopper. Place 2 the furnace magnet. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Magnet. Okay, and the name.
As you can see, this little tip is pointing into the back. Just got to shift click to be sure it sticks. And one more, there we go. Gonna hop on top, point a row of hoppers into.
Okay, so next the hopper on the top. Make sure the hopper face to the furnace, okay? Yes, like that.
To the top of the furnaces. Then we're going to build out 2 blocks on this bottom row.
Okay, so I need making a 2 block. So I need now I think I got some down here. Yes, so I need let me see. Okay, so gonna be 2 block here.
And 3 blocks.
There's 3 block on the top.
On this top row. We'll place powered rails here.
And I need to make I need to put 2 power rail right here.
And all the way across.
And I put a regular one. Like that.
Just like this. Then you're going to do powered rail here and connect these all again, and make sure you put these rails.
Okay, so I need to put a power rail here and like that. Same way with the top. No.
So in the same order I'm doing them, otherwise they'll link up and get a little annoying. Then you want to stop one before right here. We're going to break this back.
Okay, so I don't need one more here, I don't know. So maybe later. But not right now. Just one stuck here. So let me put the rest here. Yes, like that.
One now. Place the blocks on these spots, and if you didn't do it that way, these would connect and all.
Okay, so I need to put out the. Let me see.
Get a little. You want to stop one before right here. We're going to break this back one now. Place.
So I need to break out the powder rail out. Just because if I didn't have the one more powder rail here, so they can be connect with the down powder rail one. So yeah, that's why I need two more, and then by that I take out the first one.
Blocks on these spots. And if you didn't do it that way, these would connect and all the rails would break. I'm gonna place a redstone block.
Okay, so I need to put redstone block. And you know what? I don't want making the redstone block because I don't have too much in the redstone, you know. But anyway, just need a one. Maybe later I will need one more. So right now I just need one. How can I go too near? Maybe I can go this way, maybe? Yes. Oh no. Come on. Yes. So I put a redstone here. No, not here. Right here. So anyway, let me put a temporary block first. Yes, like that. And I put out here.
I'm gonna go to this side and do a similar thing. You block.
Okay, so next side. It's really blocked out long way. Like that. Yes.
So on top, 2 blocks on the bottom. Rail, powered rail, normal rail.
So 2 right here. Let me take the. What was the next? Stop folding. Out. And then should be the same way, like a 2 power rail and the 1 regular rail, and then the bottom one regular, and the 2 regular rail.
Normal rail. In order. Break this. Block.
So break beneath. And the brug. So I think I need a redstone.
And no redstone block this time. You want to come somewhere in the middle.
So no redstone.
Things really long so often. You want to break a couple of these rails. They'll probably end up in this somewhere. And you want to put powered rails again and another block of redstone just to make sure your minecarts don't stop halfway through for some reason. Then you want to come up here, put a double chest like this on the side, jump across and do another one on this side, up halfway through for some reason. Then you want to come up here, put a double chest.
Okay, so I need to put in a double chest. I don't know where. Wait, let me see.
And no redstone block this time. You want to come somewhere in the middle, or if your thing's really long, just every so often, you want to break a couple of these rails. They'll probably end up in this somewhere. And you want to put powered rails again and another block of redstone just to make sure your minecarts don't stop halfway through for some reason. Then you want to come up here, put a double chest like this on the side, jump across, and
So I come to this one now. Okay, so come to this way. Come on. I think I got time.
and a block of redstone just to make sure your minecarts don't stop halfway through for some reason. Then you want to come up here, put a
I think if I got time, I need to cut down my radio, make my radio shorter, so you guys can take a look easy. No, right now, sorry, I don't have the time to make a radio, but practice. I just need practice my English, so yeah. Maybe later I will tell you about no right now, okay? I don't know what time. I don't know what time to change it, but maybe like a 2 years, 3 years, something. So and then on the next week, I can be good at and the Minecraft something. If I can do it. So let me see. I can open here and here. Yes, like that. Okay, so I need a mic maybe.
this on the side. You put a copper minecart on both of these.
Yeah, I know. I need a hopper Minecraft. Okay. So yeah, I can make it right here because I have the minecart here. And then I can pull up. See? That's so easy. Go get it. So I put a minecart. Let me go that way. Oh, I need a scaffolding. I know what to say. So I need to put on my card right here, and the second one here. Okay, so let me see the next.
These blocks that is used to get back up there. You're gonna place a lever on the top, breaks the bottom.
Okay, so I need to put put a lever. What nowhere.
The bottom of the top block here, and nice.
Okay, I put a never the bottom on the top. So let me see, can I put the bottom of that top? Maybe I can mark here first and then I can put it on. Oh yeah, like that. So put the top back. Let me see.
See, if I put stone in this top chest, it loads very quickly into the top of my cart. I'll put fuel into the back, and then when I...
Okay, so let me go get the storm. The cobblestone. Let me see. This will be not enough, but I have the cobblestone on my storage room, so let me go get it here. So I put one here. So let me see how much group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Only 6. So yeah, I am taking the 2 never. 1 here. Two more stuff. Hmm. 61. Okay, so 8 block. So let me pull oh, let me check the furnace. Make sure I don't have the stuff throw down into the furnace. Okay, so I need pull stuff on the top, so they can be safe to and then take an hour. Going to this. I can see another one right here. Oh my god. I think I need to block like here. No, no, right here. So let me see. Oh, right here I can do. I can put right here. Okay, so let me see. Okay, yes, working now. Let me see now. Let me fix here first. I cannot walk in. Nice here, so. What? Why only 5? The oh, okay, I think should be not enough because the bucket over here. Okay, I know now. So let me take out the bucket and put the lava inside here. Yes, should be good now. Wait, what? Why only like kind of 5 working? Right here didn't working, why? Oh my, I have no idea. So I need a charcoal maybe? I don't know why. In the bucket, I cannot. I take a look. Where's my bucket? Anyway, let me make a bucket here. Don't care. Okay, so I think a bucket here. So I think I need one time like an X. Gonna be better. I don't know yet. But right now, I will go to my sand. So I need to try to find a good place. And I gotta be hello. If can, I need to try to find a good plate. The plate have a lot sand. So let me clean up here first. Okay, time to find a beach for my sand, and then I make my wood and sand. I think should be like in this way. Can be a lot of sand. I don't know yet. But I hope. Because I see the ocean right this way, so maybe right here should be have a lot of sand and then wait, what? Carbon with something? I don't know yet. Yeah, right there. Storm. Let me see, can I find some beach? I see the torch, so I need turtle egg. But I have only one. So what kind of food the turtle egg need to? Let me go take a look. So I need this one for fix now. Turtle. I don't know yet. Let me try it. I find the turtle. No, it's not turtle food. Let me go check, okay? Okay, so I'll make another video because I make